8. A roof luggage lever. Design of comprehensive roof luggage bar. We've given it the following properties. Open the luggage lever accessory bag and you will get crossbar high and low conversion. Open the box. Remove the crossbar seat. When the crossbar seat leaves the factory, pre-installed according to optional requirements. If you choose a high bar, the conversion piece on the top of the crossbar seat is in a prominent state. If you choose a low bar, the conversion piece is slightly lower than the top plane of the crossbar seat. Crossbar high-low. It can be switched by adjusting the conversion piece on the crossbar seat. Remove the key. Align the keyhole inserted into the crossbar seat trim. Turn the key to unlock. And remove the plaque. Remove hex wrench number 4. Unscrew the 4 screws on the top of the crossbar seat. Remove the conversion piece. Flip it up and down. Take out the screws removed before and the number 4 hex wrench. Put 2 of the 6x30 long screws. Load the hole on the wider side next to the groove. The other 2 6x16 short screws. Load the hole on the narrower side next to the groove. Pre-tighten the 4 screws. In the crossbar accessory bag, standard with 2 long and short tiger claw grab pieces. It needs to be based on the height of the card slot position on the stringer. Choose long or short tiger claw grab pieces. The 2 grab pieces can be replaced by yourself. Use a size 5 hex wrench. Rotate and unscrew the 2 6x18 screws that fix the grab piece. Remove the grab piece. Put on the grab piece to be replaced. Just fix it again with screws. Remove the crossbar. The wide side next to the groove of the crossbar seat, corresponding to the wide side next to the crossbar groove. Narrow side corresponds to narrow side. If it is a high bar, when assembling, the crossbar should be located above the crossbar seat. You need to put the conversion piece protruding from the top of the crossbar seat. Align the groove inserted into the bottom of the crossbar. The bottom crossbar needs to be aligned with the groove. Insert the crossbar into the crossbar seat. Take out the card. Insert it into the hole reserved above the screw on the inside of the crossbar seat. The assembled crossbar, placed on the roof unibody stringer. The crossbar seat is stuck on both sides of the stringer. Adjust the distance between the 2 ends of the crossbar. After adjustment, tighten the screw above the base. Take the crossbar off the roof. Take out the tape. Compare the length of the groove at the bottom of the crossbar. Crop. Stuff the cut rubber strip back into the groove. The other side operates the same. Then take out the rubber strip above the crossbar for comparison. Mark it well. Crop. Insert the cut rubber strip back into the groove. Put the rubber sleeve on the tiger grab sheet. Put the luggage lever back on the roof. Remove the gasket. Put it under the base. Use a number 5 hex wrench to tighten the screws on the inside of the crossbar seat. Make it top the card and clamp the stringer. Then tighten the screws on the outside of the crossbar seat to fix the grab piece. Tightening grab. Switch to a number 4 hex wrench. Tighten the outer sides of the crossbar seat. 4 screws to fix the transfer piece. Cover with rail seat trim. Lock trim and base with key. And finally, you can hold the bar and shake it. Just check whether the installation is firm. Crossbar fixing screw with anti-loose glue. It can effectively reduce the risk of loosening caused by traffic bumps and high-speed wind resistance. Enhance the stability of crossbar use and travel safety. Both the crossbar base and the grab piece are equipped with silicone protective gaskets. Install and fit tightly. Helps cushion and absorb shocks. Reduce friction and wear between rail seats and roof stringers. The crossbar is also equipped with a sealing strip. Convenient filling of crossbar grooves. Helps reduce wind resistance and noise during driving. Unlock the cover with the key. Remove the cover. Use a size 5 hex wrench. Unscrew the inner screws of the crossbar seat respectively. Screws for fixing the grab piece with the outside. Remove the crossbar from the roof. Loosen the 2 screws on the top inside the crossbar seat. Switch to a number 4 hex wrench. Loosen the outside of the crossbar seat. 4 screws to fix the transfer piece. Finally, the crossbar and the base are separated.
ADA Overland.